2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lights, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, convenience package. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.